Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow our Telegram channel, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, go to the comment section, you will see the link. Click on the link, it will take you to our Telegram channel. Follow us and stay updated. By the way, we'll be giving you guys an update there. So, let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBPUSD. If you take a look at it, let's start with the trend. We all know before we take a trade, we need to know the trend, and we can see that this trend is clearly on an uptrend move. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows is what we've been seeing. So let's sit on this forward time frame. This is our higher highs here. Then here comes our higher lows. Higher highs here. Then here comes our higher lows. Higher highs here. Then here comes our higher lows. Higher highs here, then here comes our higher lows. Higher highs here, then here comes our higher lows. Now there's possibility that markets will continue to the downside. Reason is that it came to give us an equal lows. Sorry, this is not higher lows, this is an equal lows. So markets can make to decision right now, but we will be able to predict this movement correctly as from next week. But right now, market is likely to give us two decisions. One, continue to drop, thereby taking out this previous lower lows. If you do go ahead to take out this previous lower lows and it drops, that means you are now officially on a downtrend move. It means we are no longer on an uptrend. It means we are now on a downtrend move. It can also come to give us an equal lows here and push up and continue the movement to the upside. So keep your eye on it, see what market will do. But with what I'm seeing personally for the next day, I think market should actually come and push up. Reason is that this is a huge fall, by the way. So this is a huge fall on GBPUSD. So markets should at least correct, give us some correction by pushing up. So let's see what market does. So if in case it pushes up, then I'm going to give you guys an update. Maybe we will continue the movement to the downside, or if it will push up, that will be an update later. So stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.